In the vibrant community of Kendall, Florida, casement window installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Casement windows Kendall offer excellent ventilation and unobstructed views, making them a preferred option for many residential properties. Our expert team specializes in casement windows Kendall services in Kendall, Florida, ensuring a seamless installation process that enhances your home's overall look and energy efficiency. Window installation services in Kendall, Florida, are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether it's a minor crack or a significant break, our skilled technicians provide comprehensive casement windows Kendall, Florida solutions to restore your windows to their original condition. We handle everything from window glass replacement to window frame installation, ensuring your casement windows Kendall are as good as new. Energy-efficient windows are a crucial investment for homeowners in Kendall, Florida, looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our energy-efficient casement windows Kendall solutions are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By upgrading to energy-efficient casement windows Kendall, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Custom window solutions in Kendall, Florida, allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. Our custom casement windows Kendall, Florida services offer a wide range of window style options, from traditional to contemporary, ensuring that your casement windows Kendall complement your home's architecture. With our window design consultation, you can explore various materials, finishes, and configurations to create the perfect casement windows Kendall for your space. Window replacement experts in Kendall, Florida, are dedicated to providing top-notch services for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our casement window replacement Kendall, Florida team is experienced in handling all types of window installations, ensuring a hassle-free process from start to finish. Whether you're replacing old, drafty casement windows Kendall or upgrading to more modern designs, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Residential window services in Kendall are essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your home's windows. From casement window maintenance Kendall, Florida to window cleaning services, our comprehensive offerings ensure that your casement windows Kendall remain in excellent condition year-round. Regular maintenance not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also enhances their performance and appearance. Window maintenance is a critical aspect of preserving the integrity and efficiency of your windows. Our casement window maintenance Kendall, Florida services include routine inspections, cleaning, and minor installations to keep your casement windows Kendall in top shape. By addressing issues early, you can prevent costly installations and ensure your windows continue to function optimally. When it comes to window installation services in Kendall, Florida, our team of experts is dedicated to providing top-notch solutions for all your window needs. Whether you require window frame installation, window glass replacement, or window hardware installation, we have the skills and experience to get the job done right. Our casement window installation Kendall, Florida services ensure that your casement windows Kendall are functioning optimally, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. Energy-efficient windows are a crucial component of any modern home, and our energy-efficient casement windows Kendall services are designed to help you save on energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. By choosing our energy-efficient casement windows Kendall solutions, you can reduce your carbon footprint and enjoy a more sustainable lifestyle. Our team specializes in the installation of energy-efficient casement windows Kendall tailored to the specific needs of your home in Kendall, Florida. For those seeking custom window solutions, our custom casement windows Kendall, Florida services offer a wide range of options to suit your unique style and preferences. From window design consultation to the final installation, we work closely with you to create casement windows Kendall that complement your home's architecture and enhance its overall appeal. Our custom window solutions are perfect for homeowners in Kendall who want to make a statement with their casement windows Kendall design. Window replacement experts in Kendall, Florida, are here to assist you with all your window replacement needs. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing windows or replace damaged ones, our casement window replacement Kendall, Florida services provide high-quality products and professional installation. Our team ensures that your new casement windows Kendall are installed with precision and care, offering improved functionality and aesthetics for your home. Residential window services in Kendall are essential for maintaining the beauty and efficiency of your home's windows. Our comprehensive residential casement windows Kendall services include everything from window maintenance and cleaning to window sealing and weatherproofing. We understand the importance of keeping your casement windows Kendall in top condition, and our team is committed to providing the best residential window services in Kendall, Florida. Window maintenance is a key aspect of preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our casement window maintenance Kendall, Florida services cover a wide range of tasks, including window cleaning, window sealing, and window caulking services. Regular maintenance ensures that your casement windows Kendall remain in excellent condition, preventing costly installations and enhancing the overall appearance of your home.